What's your name?
My name is
Steve, how old are you?
I'm 5
What color do you like?
I'm 5
I like. What color do you like?
I'm great.
Okay, and what animal do you like?
Rooster.
A rooster? Okay. Steve, what letter is this?
Letter
F.
F.
This one?
Fish.
And? Fox.
Horse.
Okay. What letter is this?
Q.
Q.
Q. Quint.
And? Quilt.
Quilt.
Okay. What letter is this? This one?
Letter C.
Yeah.
Goat.
And?
Grapes.
Very good. What letter is this?
The Q.
H.
S.
H is for?
How.
And?
Hey.
Hat.
Hat.
Okay. What letter is this?
The Z.
I.
Ice cream.
And?
Insect.
Okay. What letter is it? Ja.
Saki.
Letter? J.
Say.
What is this?
Saki.
And?
Shrimp.
Okay. What letter is this?
The cat.
Yeah.
Man.
Key.
Key.
And?
Quint.
Kite.
Cat.
Okay. Next, what letter is this?
The
L.
else.
L.
Else.
No. L.
L.
Okay.
Lion.
And?
Lamp.
Okay. What letter is this? Letter?
Letter C.
M.
N.
M is?
Moon.
And?
Mouse.
Okay. What letter is this? N.
N. Nose. Number.
Very good. This one?
O. Orange. Onion.
Very good. This one?
P. Pencil. Pick.
And this one?
W. Moon.
Whale.
Whale.
And? Wall.
Wall.
Okay. Next?
Zebra.
Z.
Zebra.
Zebra and?
Tongue.
Zoo.
Zoo.
Okay, now, Steve, what do you see?
I see one pig.
I see a pink pig.
I see a pink pig.
What do you see?
I see a round blue
Brown.
brown goat.
Okay. What do you see?
I see rabbit blue
Blue rabbit.
blue Barbie.
What do you see?
I see a white sheep.
Very good. What do you see?
I see a red white rooster.
What do you see?
I see a blue
Brown
brown
horse.
horse.
What do you see?
I see a brown pink
Hen.
hen.
What do you see?
I see a blue,
Gray.
red, yellow, and
Goose.
goose.
Okay, thank you, Steve. High five. Yeah, okay.